In the following set of videos, we're going to discuss gravitational potential energy. So we saw that under energy, we have mechanical energy. If we open up mechanical energy, we have the potential energy and kinetic energy. Under potential energy, we have the gravitational potential energy. So we're going to start off with understanding this potential energies and then understand kinetic energy and then understand mechanical energy. Okay, guys. So this sequence of things you should understand and learn. So do write this. Let's begin with understanding potential energy. As a definition, it is nothing but potential energy is the energy a body has because of its position, if not condition, if not configuration. So you can use condition if not configuration, any one of this word. So let's understand what is this configuration and position. See, configuration is quite simple. How they are assembled, how things are looking. So a rubber band not stretched and a rubber band stretched, you know the difference, right? So what is that I'm doing here? I'm changing the configuration. That's the language. Basically, you're changing the shape of it, right? So to put it in a simplest manner, we are changing the shape of it. Because we change the shape, it gains energy. Okay, guys. And thus we can see this work, the work being done by the rubber band on the paper because it moves, it flies. Is it not? So this is how we can change the configuration. Okay. So this is nothing but potential energy. This rubber band, when I pull it, has the potential energy. Potential energy of what? Moving this paper forward. Why? How did it gain? Because I changed the configuration. Understood? That's the language. That's it. It's quite simple. The concept is quite simple. We're changing the shape. Because of that, it gains some energy. Now, potential energy because of position. Of course, under this, we have a lot of possibilities. So I'm going to show you guys one of the possibilities. Please have a look at this. So what is that we saw? We have a ferromagnetic material. Nothing was happening to it. Is it not? When I got a magnet, what happened? Because I got a magnet, it started moving. Agree? And it got pulled from point A to point B. It got displaced. It got moved from this point to this point. Means what? There was some energy which acted on it. Someone did some work on it. Right? See, nothing else changed. All I did was I got a magnet near it. Because of that, it started moving. Can you see that? Because of the position where is it in, and because of the magnet position, what happened? It gained some energy. Did you get that? Because of the location, it has some energy. Without the magnet was there. It was there a few meters away. Now I got the magnet very near. The magnet in turn created something called as a field, a magnetic field. Okay. Let me do that properly. A magnetic field, a region, a space wherein certain material having certain property gets attracted and some gets repelled. Okay. So because of the position where it was, right, it gains some energy, and that's why it is known as potential energy because of position. As simple as that. Literally, whatever you read is what you see. It's very simple. Now, combining all of this knowledge, right, we understand that the idea of gravity under the gravity chapter. Now, using the word potential energy, we have our gravitational potential energy. It's quite simple. So here I have Earth. You need not have Earth actually. You can have any body with mass. If we get one more object with mass, what happens? They start attracting each other. Is it not? So remember, anyways, if you guys are not able to understand that they attract each other and all of that, means you have to do the gravitational chapter better. Okay, so they attract each other. So basically, it has some energy. An object which was at rest, if it starts moving, what does it mean? Something is working on it. So what is that something? That is nothing but your gravitational potential energy. So this is in ways your magnetic potential energy, right? Potential energy because of position in the presence of gravity. And that's your gravitational potential energy. As a definition, any object at a point above the ground would possess energy. And this energy is called as gravitational potential energy. Make sense? It's a very easy definition. Of course, we are not going to learn the complicated version of things. This is enough. Okay, guys? Whatever the name tells, That's the definition. It's very simple. So now pause and you have to write all of it. Yes, try to draw and everything. It helps you. It helps you understand the concept better.